Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Toolbox lesson. In the assembly, click in the SOLIDWORKS Add-ins tab and click in the SOLIDWORKS toolbar to load it. Select the Design Library tab. Expand the Toolbox folder and go to ANSI Inch, Bolt and Screws, Socket Head Screws. Click and drag the socket head cap screw into a hole in the top cover. Select the screw's size, length, thread display, and click OK. Click to add the other 3 screws to the top cover and close the Insert Component command. Drag the socket head cap screw into a hole in the side cover. Select the screw's size, length and thread display. Click OK and close the Insert Component command. From the Assembly tab, click on the Component Pattern drop-down command and select Pattern-Driven Component Pattern. Select the 1/4 screw, activate the Driving Feature selection box, and select a hole in the side cover's hole pattern. Click OK to finish the pattern. Click in the Component Pattern drop-down command and select Mirror Component. Select the Assembly's front plane and the derived screw pattern. Click Next to preview the mirror. And click OK to finish.